Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you why did I order this Computrade screen cleaner kit, which is of 100 ml. And this is not the price. I got it for 143 rupees. This is the order. So what I'm showing, delivery expected by like 6 days from now. So once I receive that, I'll be doing the unboxing video. Then I'll just clean this laptop. See here, the main reason is I have a secondary phone without this screen protector or anything external screen guard. I'm using this mobile and the brand new Moto mobile also, and all my fingerprints are placing over getting attracted on the screen. So that's the reason I purchased this, and along with this I purchased two more t-shirts. One is of maroon and one is of blue, and both are of different brands. So I'll be unboxing and I'll be testing the material also. And the main reason is buying this is, see, this laptop and the screen is totally became dusty, and if you can observe, see here, lot of mud and dust. So I just want to make it a brand new look again by cleaning, and on the screen also I just want to clean completely with this wiper cloth and this gel, clean shine gel. And this is ideal for that TV also. Actually there are some marks on the TV on the screen, so I'll be cleaning that one also. That's the reason I bought this. Would be ideal for LED TVs, LCD TVs, computer, laptop, iPad, mobiles, laptops. Yes, yeah. And it got 4 ratings, so let us check once I receive this. And if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and please do guess this keychain price. I bought this offline, not online store, and this is the kiddie bank. And please do guess this price also. This also I just bought offline but not the online. Yeah, please do it. Just try to guess in the comment section how much it the price of this cute little keychain. And this one, this is of ceramic. Yeah, ceramic piggy bank. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.